No doubt she was a loser. Karen, she said he did abuse her, but she was the one who was in the wrong. Some guy was out watching birds and he confronted her. You